Welcome to our channel. Today we how to turn off suggested posts on Instagram, feed control step by step clearly. Open Instagram on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Tap the Instagram logo or the word Instagram at the top left of your home feed. In the menu that appears, tap following to switch to a feed with only accounts you follow. Scroll a little to confirm you are no longer seeing random suggested content. Go back to the top of the feed and tap the Instagram logo or word Instagram again. Now tap favorites to view posts only from accounts you add to your favorites list. If you have not set favorites yet, tap add favorites when Instagram prompts you. Search for the accounts you want to prioritize and tap add next to each one. Tap done to save your favorites list and enter the favorites feed. Scroll to check that the feed is focused on those selected accounts. Return to the home feed by tapping the home icon at the bottom left. When you see a suggested post, tap the three dots on the top right of that post. Tap Not Interested to reduce similar suggestions in the future. Tap the three dots again on another suggested post if you keep seeing unwanted topics. Select Hide All from this topic if Instagram offers a topic-based option. Go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right. Tap the menu icon in the top right to open Settings and Activity. Tap Content Preferences to manage what Instagram shows you. Tap Snooze Suggested Posts in Feed if you see that option. Choose to snooze suggestions for 30 days to temporarily remove them from the main feed. Go back one screen and tap Suggested Content or Recommended Content if available. Turn off any toggles that allow recommended posts to appear in your feed when possible. Return to Settings and Activity and tap Notifications to control alert-based suggestions. Tap Posts, Stories and Comments and reduce notifications that push suggested content. Tap Follow and invite friends notifications and disable prompts you do not want. Go back to the home feed and switch to following or favorites whenever you want a cleaner feed. Use the search page less often if you want fewer algorithm-based recommendations. Repeat the Not Interested action anytime a new suggested post slips into your feed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.